G'day. Well, this is another one of my Pentax reviews, quick reviews. This is an Espio 120 SW. This is absolutely tiny. The 120, the 170 and the 150, out of all my Espios, are absolutely tiny for fully featured cameras. I know this one doesn't have panorama mode, but it does have a bit of control on the flash. It's got a diopter adjustment if you wear spectacles. It's like a little jewel. It's actually, it reminds me a bit of my Pentax TVS. Or I also had a APS Pentax TIX. I've never had a T2 because I cannot bring myself to pay $1,500 for a point and shoot camera. I just can't. This is tiny. Chuck it in your top pocket, side pocket, back pocket, jacket pocket. As I've said before, great lenses on all these little Pentaxes. Easy to use, a little bit of override. I'm impressed. But, as the story goes, I'm also selling a lot of my camera collection because our life plans have changed and they involve more travel, less time at home, and need us to have less stuff. So Pentax Espio S120 SW, highly advised, little jewel. And the next two videos I'm going to do are the 150 SL and the 170 SL, and they're also little jewels too. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see some of my other cameras, and have an awesome day. Bye.